This Century 21 The Real Estate Center property video is presented by Joan Eisenhart. Gorgeous 3 finished level colonial with a custom finished 2-car garage boasting an open floor plan, a second-story foyer and family room, master suite with custom closet, study/alcove overlooking the family room, cascading staircase and stainless steel appliances. The lower level features built-in bookshelves, suite, office, media room, game room/den, office space, under staircase storage. The custom patio is great for entertaining with seating/lighting and a privacy fence. Enjoy the community amenities, something for everyone in this family-oriented community. Close to BWI Fort Meade, U.S. Coast Guard Yard, NSA, D.C. Photos depict previous